Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Jura We8. Came into the shop after a prior repair because there was a leak out of the right side. We found that the leak had to do with a thermoblock outlet valve. It's a sort of plastic valve used in case of solenoids in order to direct the flow through the machine, and pretty notorious for breaking and causing leaks. So this one had broken, leaked, and all we had to do was replace it. And secondly, because of poor coffee, the coffee was continuously weak no matter how fine we adjusted the grinder. We decided to replace the grinder too. This machine has logged about over 38,000 drinks. So, for a little grinder like this, that's quite a lot. So it was about time to replace it. Additionally, because this grinder sits in a little cavity that allows for airflow and things like that, sometimes coffee grounds can spill past the grinder because there's a little rubber silicone gasket that sort of directs the grinds. Sometimes little grounds can sort of fall behind it. In this case, it was filled up to here with grounds, thus preventing the flow of air. And lastly, you might be able to see here, this is where the brush is. It's really deep inset into the motor. The brushes are just completely worn, and all of these things are going to affect the performance of the motor and affect the grinding performance, representing the grinder as well. We had a lot of difficulty sourcing these during this time of year. Seems like these grinders are in short supply, but we were able to find one, so we were able to install it. Finished with it. So I'm just going to do a test shot. The grinder might need a little bit of calibration. Right now it's still pretty coarse. This is how the coffee looks in the coarsest setting, and then I'm going to dust just a little bit finer and see how that works. Just a little bit. Cancel it right here since I accidentally double tapped it, but that's a lot better. It's a lot stronger. And you can see there's no leaks, at least on this right side. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.